Hey there coders, welcome to today's lesson on JavaScript. With the holiday season around the corner, we're going to build a simple program that counts the days left until Christmas. Let's jump right in. In this lesson, we will write a JavaScript program that calculates how many days are left until Christmas. It's a perfect way to get in the holiday spirit. Here's the code. We start by getting the current date, then the days left until Christmas. If today's date is after December 25th, we set Christmas to the next year. Next, we'll create a date object for Christmas of the current year. We'll use the getFullYear method to get the current year, then set the month to 11, which is December, and the day to 25. Let's take a closer look at how the date object and its methods work in JavaScript. These methods help us get the current year, month, day, and time, which are crucial for our countdown. In the ES6 version, we use the const for constants and the backticks for string interpolation. This version is more modern and concise. Let's take a look at the flowchart to see how we can develop the code to calculate the days left before Christmas. We'll start by getting the current date, then create a date object for Christmas. Check if the current date is after December 25th, calculate the difference in days, and finally log the result. And that's a wrap. We've learned how to create a countdown to Christmas using JavaScript. Thanks for watching. Happy coding. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. See you in the next video.